In this session we'll be learning to split this date and time into two separate columns. And sometimes what happens that when we download data from a system, the date and times comes into a single column or in a single cell. So it's always better to have them in a separate cell if you want to analyze the data on date basis or on time basis. So let's start and see how we will able to split this date and time into two separate columns. So for that, first we'll select this column and copy into the last column of our table. Now if you'll observe here that in date and time there is the space. So we will use this space to split this date and time. For that, first we'll select this column, go into data, we'll use text to column, and in text to column there are two options. One is delimited and fixed width, but we'll use this delimited option. Press next. Now here we'll select the space option. So if it is unticked, we'll tick it, and once this option is selected, the delimiter space, we will select finish. So we will observe that this date and time have been separated. So I'll rename this as column as date, and this as time, and this as AM or PM, and I'll delete this column. So select this information and we can format it, and date will format it in the, we'll go into home and select the date format, and if you want we can select the time format for the time. But here currently we have DD, that is hours, month and seconds, so we have kept it as it is. So there is also one more option is there in delimit this data text to column. So we'll try that also. Copy this columns, the last cell, data, text to column. Now this time we will select the fixed width, and in fixed width we have to manually select the the options, or manually select the delimiters from where we want to split that information. So in this case we have select this end and the start of the time, and then this space is being, and from this space this date and time will get split. So once we select this manually, we can press finish, and here it goes, the date and time is separated. So we'll go in home, select the date format. Here we'll delete this space column as we don't require now, and we'll rename it as time, and this is date. So here we were able to split this information with the help of text to column. Hope you found this session helpful, and if you like the video, do give us a thumbs up, and do not forget to share your comments in the comments column. Also, if you want to see such videos in future, do subscribe to our channel.